Books are still one of the most beginner-friendly ways to start building an online business. You don't need to order inventory, you don't need to package products, you don't need to ship a single thing yourself. Once your book is published on Amazon, the platform handles the printing, the shipping, customer service, and even the returns. That's what makes KDP so interesting. You put in the work up front, and the book has the potential to continue selling long after it's been published. Now today, we're taking that one step further. I'm going to show you 5 AI coloring books that are making anywhere from $600 to over $13,000 a month on Amazon. And before you think it's probably too late, well, that's not really the point of this video. I'm not showing you these books so you can copy them. I'm showing you these books so you can understand why they're working. Because one of the biggest mistakes new publishers make is focusing on the book instead of the pattern behind the book. What audience is it serving? Why are customers buying it? What makes someone choose it over dozens of other options? Those are the questions that actually matter. You see, I've spent a lot of time digging through Amazon, researching niches, looking at trends, and studying what's consistently performing. And after going through all of that, these are 5 AI-friendly coloring book niches that really stood out to me. Some of them are exactly what you'd expect. A couple of them definitely aren't. And by the end of this video, you'll have a much better understanding of the types of coloring books that are selling right now, why they're working, and how you can start creating your own. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first book is going to be this Fairyland adult coloring book. And this niche is actually perfect for AI, anything fantasy, anything fairies. This has a 2,764 bestsellers rank, very, very low. And that is equating to 30-day royalties estimated from $3,500 to over $5,000 per month in pure passive royalties. Now, of course, this is after Amazon's cut, this is after printing cost, but still that is quite a lot of money coming from one single book. Now, when we actually look through the description here, the thing you're going to notice is a lot of these listings will actually say that they're using AI. So for example, this one, 50 coloring pages featuring fairies, their homes, and castles created using artificial intelligence and then manually edited and crafted to provide a great coloring experience for you. Well, this is exactly what we're doing as KDP publishers when we want to use AI to create coloring books. And actually, the best case scenario is if you're creating an AI coloring book is to go ahead and say that in your description, and it'll actually be more authentic for customers, and they actually might not even care at the end of the day. Now, as you can see, the interior, if you've been playing around with AI for any amount of time, you know that AI can create these types of images, and we've already verified that these are in fact AI coloring books. But as you can see, nothing too crazy here, just I would say your standard AI type of pages. But in this niche is actually pretty powerful because anything fantasy, anything that can have crazy types of images is going to work really well with AI. But you could literally go to ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever AI you like, type in a few simple prompts and get these types of images that you could go ahead and start putting a coloring book together just like this one. Now, of course, there are a lot more factors when it comes to actually selling your book. Now, for the last 30 days, we can see the sales performance for this book. And if we go 1 year, you can see that this book has its ups and downs, but this is between a 1,000 BSR and a 5,000 BSR. So it fluctuates somewhere around this range. But if I go all time, you can see that it's basically a flat line. And this book has been around for a long time, since 2024. And as you can see, it's bringing in consistent passive royalties every single month for this publisher. Now, the next book is this Super Sweet Treats Kawaii coloring book. Now, this book has a bestsellers rank of 44,000. So that equals to about $400 to over $600 per month in estimated passive royalties. Now, when you look at the description, it's going to say adorable collection of 50 hand-drawn coloring pages. But just keep in mind, you could put anything that you want as a publisher in this area right here. It doesn't mean that it was actually hand-drawn. But for a very simple book like this, you can see the price point of $9.99. So if you price your book at $9.99 and you have about 100 pages, you're going to be getting about $3 per book sold in royalties, which is actually a healthy amount. Now, the reason I say that this is not hand drawn and this is AI generated is because when you look at the images here, a lot of what AI can do, especially in the early beginnings of AI, is basically these types of pages. You have your eyes, and then right here you can see there's a brown line right here. So if this was hand drawn, why would there be a brown line right here? And AI is known to sometimes having different color lines that you would have to fix. Now here's the next page. So once again, more faces here. The donut has a face, the star has a face. I mean, it looks pretty good, looks pretty basic, nothing too crazy. And obviously it's selling. And that's the whole point of AI coloring books, is that to show you that you can create these types of books. They can sell, and they can sell consistently. It doesn't have to be the most prettiest coloring book, but if it serves its customer, that's really all it needs to do. So for this niche, this is a very simple type of niche. The people that buy these books really just want something relaxing to color in, nothing too complicated, very simple lines. And at the end of the day, they might not care if it's AI generated. Now, the next book is called the Monochrome Coloring Book. This one is Monochrome Botanicals Coloring Book. You can see the bestsellers rank 10,824 and 30-day royalties estimated to over $1,200 to almost $1,900 per month in passive royalties. Now, this book is a very, very simple book. I've shown many times on my channel how to actually create a monochrome style coloring book. But essentially what it is when you look at this page right here, the image on the left is how it comes, and then the image on the right is what it looks like when it's completed. And it basically just has dots or markings where the customer will color in, and once it's complete, it will come out to a nice image. You can see that this book also sells well year round. You can see this flat line close to zero. Didn't start out that way, but once it started to gain its reviews, you can see the reviews kind of correlate with the bestsellers rank. To give you an idea how to create a monochrome coloring page, you can use a simple prompt like this one right here and plug it into ChatGPT or try it with Gemini, and it's going to turn out into something like this. Now, there are different prompts that get different results, but this is what you're looking for, like this one right here with the dots inside of it, because this is where the customer will color in. You can use AI, use some simple prompts like this one right here, and you can get your monochrome coloring page. You can transform this into the full color when you want to include it, or you want it as an asset for A+ content. Here's a watercolored version of it. Lots of different ways to use AI to create coloring books, and another example of what this looks like. Now, these are just simple prompts. So if you actually want to try creating coloring books, you need some prompts to use. I'll leave a link to a prompt package that you can purchase that will help you along the way. So that link will be down below. Now, the next coloring book is this adult coloring book, just filled with a bunch of things like beautiful designs of animals, landscape, beach, house, birds, flowers, just a general type of coloring book. Now, this one has a 2,456 bestsellers rank. It has a #1 bestseller badge. So that equates to almost $4,000 per month in estimated passive royalties. Now, this book is a little bit longer. It is 207 pages, so there are 101 unique ready-to-color pages. So that is why the price of this book is a little bit more at $11.96. Now, looking at the interior, it actually looks pretty blurry, which is a big tell of AI, because when you're using AI, you want to upscale your images so it becomes really, really crisp. But once again, these images are what AI can create these days. Here's one of a dog and one of a bird, and then some more different types of images here, cupcakes, and just kind of random images. Now, what type of customer is going to buy this book, and how do they have the #1 bestseller badge? Well, these types of books are very, very popular with the elderly customers. So older customers, seniors, retired people, these are the type of people that like to buy this book. And these are the type of people that don't really care if it's created with AI. They just want something relaxing to color in. Now, the next book is called this 100 Color by Number Mysteries. also known as a pixel color by number. Now this book, 708 bestsellers rank. So that is showing some insane royalties here, over $13,000 per month in passive royalties. That is just insane coming from one single book. Also has the #1 bestseller badge. Now this one is a little bit different than a standard AI coloring book because this is a color by number book. So if we actually take a look at it, you have a palette right here corresponding with some letters or numbers and the color. And then you actually have a grid where it's labeled. And once you follow this key right here, it will actually churn out into a completed image. Now what it actually looks like is like this. So on the left is the incomplete page, and then on the right is a completed color by number page. It's actually pretty fun for customers, very engaging, lots of value here, but this is going to be very, very difficult to make if you're not using any kind of tool to help you create this. So if you're interested in creating a pixel or a mystery color by number book, I've shown this off in previous videos. This is the tool that I use. It's actually very simple. You just upload some images and it converts it into a complete color by number page. So this is the completed page right here. You can see the image that I loaded here. Now for the actual grid, it's right here. Here's the palette. So everything's complete and it looks really, really good. Now you can go to a detailed grid size, which is gonna make it even look better, but this is gonna be more complicated for the customer. You can go to a simple one like this, easier for the customer. It really depends on the intricacy of your image because you still wanna maintain the clarity of the visual. Now you can change the shape also with this tool, circles, triangles, hexagons, lots of different options there. And then also you can change the colors to more colors, 36 colors, up to 48. I tend to use just 24 colors to keep it simple. And if there are any issues with the actual colors in the grid, you can also edit that out here. If I just choose a random color, let's go with number 12, white, and we can go ahead and fix some things just like that, very easy. And as you can see, it's well versed. It can do a lot of different types of imagery. It'll struggle on some of them like this. You can barely see what the car looks like. If you go to detailed, obviously it looks better. And there are some images like this that just look good, whether it's detailed or medium. But if you want to go ahead and get this tool for yourself to start creating these color by number books, I'll leave a link to this as well down below. So hopefully this video gave you a better understanding of what makes a coloring book niche worth paying attention to. Remember, the goal isn't to copy what someone else is doing, it's to understand the patterns, find the opportunities that fit your style, and create books that genuinely provide value to the people that buy them. If you can consistently do that, you're going to put yourself in a much better position than simply chasing every trend that comes along. If you want help learning the entire Amazon KDP process from start to finish, make sure to grab my KDP Royalty Roadmap. It's completely free and it's linked down below. It'll walk you through everything from finding niches to creating, publishing, and growing your own library. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.